I picked to discuss technology and the way that it affects children. Below is the reason why I chose to discuss this. I believe that technology is hurting the young minds of children due to the excessive amount of usage. Kids are becoming addicted to technology, and there are many studies done to prove this idea. I believe that if this issue isn't addressed, that kids won't know how to function in life without their cell phone. Kids need to be able to interact with people, not just a TV screen. This is a negative effect that I believe the excessive amount of technology does to children. Studies show that kids who use technology in a great amount are at greater risk for depression. An article found in the International Journal of Children's Health and Human Development stated that 30% of the 1,500 kids in the study who used technology for 3 or more hours a day were diagnosed with depression. They not only can have this depression, but also changes in mood and lack of motivation. Another negative effect is face-to-face interactions. Kids are unable to interact with those around them, such as not being able to make proper eye contact or unable to hold a conversation. Kids are simply logging onto Snapchat or Facebook instead of interacting with their family. They would rather stare at a TV screen. These are just some fun facts, not really fun, but shocking statistics from a survey of 2,000 parents of 5 to 12-year-olds. What the survey revealed was that kids spend twice as long playing on screens as they do playing outside. 3 in 4 kids spend less than 30 minutes playing outside each day. 1 in 5 kids don't play outside at all on a typical day. Below is simply a graph to show the average usage of the internet by teens both weekly and daily. Why should you care? Why I think you should care is the simple fact that future generations are not going to be able to do anything for themselves. All they are going to know how to do is play on their phone or stare at a screen. They are the future, and we should hope for a bright future, not one that people are unsure what actually may happen. Kids and parents need to understand the consequences that one may face from overuse of technology. And that is it. This is the end.